Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for tech reviews. Today, we're taking a look at the Portta RCA to HDMI Converter, a handy little device that breathes new life into your old-school gadgets by converting analog RCA signals into crisp HDMI output. If you've got classic consoles, VCRs, or DVD players lying around, this could be the perfect solution to get them working on modern displays. Let's dive in. The Portta RCA to HDMI converter is designed to take composite AV signals, that's your yellow, white, and red cables, and upscale them to 720p or 1080p HDMI output. This means your older devices can now connect seamlessly to modern TVs, monitors, and projectors. Just keep in mind it's a one-way converter, meaning it only works from RCA to HDMI and not the other way around. One of the standout features is its plug-and-play design. No drivers or complex setup required. Just plug in your RCA cables, connect the USB power, and select your preferred resolution. The converter supports a variety of video formats, including PAL, NTSC, CCAM, and more, making it compatible with different regional systems. In terms of quality, the upscaling technology does a great job at enhancing visuals, providing clearer colors and improved details. Of course, it won't magically turn old VHS tapes into full HD content, but it does a solid job of cleaning up the image for modern screens. The audio conversion also works well, ensuring synchronized sound without noticeable lag. This converter is perfect for retro gaming or watching old media. It's compatible with devices like the PS2, PS3, Wii, Xbox, N64, VCRs, DVD players, and more. Whether you're reliving childhood memories or archiving old home videos, it's a budget-friendly solution to keep older tech relevant. Inside the box, you get the AV to HDMI converter, a USB power cable, and a user manual. Plus, Portta offers a 2-year warranty and lifetime technical support, which is a nice bonus for peace of mind. Overall, the Portta RCA to HDMI converter is a simple, effective, and affordable way to modernize your retro tech. It's easy to use, delivers decent image quality, and is widely compatible with various devices. While it won't give you HDMI-level sharpness, it does exactly what it promises at a reasonable price. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews here on Alltech. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.